Well, what's up YouTube, railroad fans? I thought it'd be time to do a updated bird's eye view of an aerial view of the Possumrun and Santa Fe Railroad. Kind of give you a scope of how big it is. As with the last one, I don't have the best camera to do this with, but you know, we'll see how well it turns out. I'm going to give a slow pan around here. Alright, now I'm going to do a part 2 video where we follow the train around the railroad. So, stick around for part 2. Bye-bye.